In this video, we're going to tell you guys how to pre-qualify for a $50,000 credit card with no docs at Fnbo.
Okay, money magnets, I've had the opportunity to call this bank. They have some amazing products, so let's dive into what they have to offer. The first card is the Evergreen card. Now, with this particular card, you can earn 2 times cash back on every purchase.
Right.
So this would be more like an everyday card, Marvin.
Yeah.
Also, you get $200 cash bonus, which equates to about 2,000 bonus points,
Right.
or 20,000 bonus points. Let me correct myself on that.
Right.
When you spend $1,000 in the first 3 billing cycles, this is what you get. Now, you guys know that I'm all about those rewards. So just think about a $200 reward,
Right.
$200 in cash back. That's
Right.
amazing. Okay. Also, you get no rewards expiration on this card. So if you want to accumulate your points and save them up, you don't have to worry about anything, because guess what? You can do that. There's no annual fee on this card. So to keep it in your wallet, you're not paying big bucks. But Marvin, let's see what else they have to offer.
And look, guys, I want to make sure that you like and share this video. And anybody that has any experience with Fnbo, make sure you comment below, because we bring these high limit cards to you guys. So not only you can enjoy the bonus points, but if you want to start a business, you can have the leverage of using credit cards or lines of credit or loans to start your business part-time, or if you got an existing business, to take it to the next level. So make sure, guys, if you want a free business strategy call with Gloria and myself, look in the description below. But Gloria, let's tell them about the getaway card. All right, with the getaway card, you earn 3 times the points for travel and dining. All right, and then 1 times the points for everything else. All right, no rewards expiration, which means the points never expire. Also, this card has 0% for 12 months. So if you got some high balances somewhere else and you want to save some money, this would be a great card to do a balance transfer. Realize they do have a balance transfer fee, but it's no annual fee and also no foreign transaction fee. So this is the card that you take with you when you're traveling around and you don't want those extra fees when you're out of the country. And keep in mind, guys, these cards can go up to $50,000. But remember, you may not get the full amount, because we talk to a lot of people every day, and you think just because you have a great score, you're going to get the top amount.
Most definitely.
That's not it, because Gloria always talks about the body of the credit. Tell them, babe, what you always say.
Okay, so money magnets, a lot of times we may have bad credit, or you can have good credit. We need to continue to build credit.
Yeah.
Revolving weighs heavier on the credit than installment. So keep that in mind. If you max out a credit card, that can drop your score at least 100 points. So keep that, you want to think about that when you're looking at using your card. We have a lot of clients, Marvin, that they love one card. So they spend, but you need to spread your spending out. Like, I have a stack of cards. I'm just going to be really, really transparent, where I have different cards that I use for different things. I have an everyday card. I have a card when I know that Marvin and I are going to travel and I need to get those points. So just think about how you have your cards categorized. But let's talk about the secure card that they have available for our money magnets.
All right, Gloria, the secure Visa card. So a lot of people don't like secure cards. They feel some kind of way. But this is a great way to establish a relationship. So if you're just coming out of credit repair, you got a 750 credit score, but you can't get approved, this is the card that you should get. Yes, you have to put a deposit, but these are the cards that within 6 months, you'll be surprised they'll give you an increase on your limit, or maybe you might get graduated over to an unsecured card. So don't sleep on getting a secure card, especially today, because Gloria, a couple years ago, you could add 2 authorized users and then you would get that $25,000, $50,000 limit.
Right.
In today's economy, that's not going to happen, guys.
Yeah, the banking world is most definitely changing, Marvin. After doing a lot of research on this particular bank, we noticed that a lot of people were saying that their limits had been cut.
Correct.
But you have to keep in mind, this bank, you put, when you go to apply,
right,
you're going to put your zip code in there, and that's really important, Marvin, and that'll tell you if you're in their location where you can apply for this card. But people were putting fake zip codes in there and getting approved for this card. So what do you think the bank is going to do when they
figure it out? Yeah. It was a back door, and guess what? They closed it. And then you can pre-qualify for this card. Now, keep in mind, when you pre-qualify, it doesn't mean it's 100% that you're going to get approved. It just kind of gives you a barometer of where you're at and the possibility of getting approved. So don't get disappointed if you don't get approved. And the other good thing that Gloria found out, you don't have to have a checking account to apply for the credit card. So you're able to apply for the product without opening up a checking account.
Most definitely. But Money Magnets, we also talk about building the relationship.
Yes.
So if this is a bank that could possibly interest you, I would most definitely start building a relationship. But let's look at what other products that they have to offer. Okay, Marvin, let's talk about this 1.99% for 6 months line of credit.
Yeah, that's really cool. This is a different type of product. You don't really see this a lot. So they're going to offer you 1.99% for 6 months and interest only, which means your payment is going to be super small. So I would only do something like this if I was going to flip the money or use it for business and be able to put it back, because this kind of loan can get you in trouble if you're not careful, because the whole time that you're paying this small note, you're only paying interest. You're not affecting the principal, because after that 6-month introductory part, the interest goes up between 16.99 and 22.99. That's when you can get in trouble. But if you're going to turn the money over, or you're expecting a big bonus on your job or something like that, I would do it.
Or if you're looking to pay something down, this would be a good way. If you're in a high interest rate situation, maybe this line of credit would work for you. And remember, with the line of credit, Money Magnets, you're only paying for what you're using.
Correct. And interest only on what you're using. So that makes that payment even smaller. But keep in mind, what we're realizing with banks today, if you don't have check stubs or proof of income, you might not get this product, or you may not get the full amount. So keep in mind, when you're looking for loans, you're looking for lines of credit, don't be surprised if they ask you for pay stubs or bank statements.
Okay, Money Magnets. One thing I love about this bank, if you get a auto loan with them, you don't have to pay your first note for 60 days. That could be a cash flow changer for you.
Yeah, and typically they're going to do anywhere from 60 months to 72 months. So if you're in the market for a brand new car or a used car, this could be a great option. And keep in mind, they do pull Experian, and they're only in a few states, which we're going to list right here. And guys, this could be a great way for you to start a relationship. And then if you guys got any trouble with your credit, we also have an AI do-it-yourself software that can help you remove those stubborn items from your credit. So don't let bad credit stop you from having a relationship. Use that secure card, build a relationship, set up a direct deposit, and you'll never know. Within a few months, you may have that $50,000 credit card that you always wanted.
Most definitely. But Marvin, let's move on to the mortgages. I know we have some first-time home buyers and some Money Magnets that maybe have never purchased a home. So let's see what products they have to offer for that as well.
Well, what I liked about what we investigated and found out, they have some mortgages that require 0% down. Now that's great. And you can pre-qualify to see where you are with a mortgage and getting approved. And they also have it where if you're a homeowner, you can refinance. They have a conventional loan, they have an ARM loan, FHA, VA, jumbo loan, a physician's loan. So just about anything that you can look for when it comes to mortgage products, I think you might be able to find at Fnbo. And guys, this could be a great way for you to become a first-time home buyer. But Gloria, let's give them a quick recap on what they offer and what they need to have as far as getting qualified.
Okay, Money Magnets, keep in mind that you need to be in their footprint in order to qualify for their products. When you go to apply, all you need to do is put in your zip code. They'll let you know if you're in their geographic location, okay? The other thing about this is they do pull Experian. So make sure you don't have any freezes or locks on your credit report, because that can most definitely get you denied.
Right. Also, I would have a 700 credit score or higher on Experian, And then I would think about, if I'm going for a $50,000 credit card, I would ask myself, do I have a $10,000 or $15,000 credit card already with at least 2 years? If not, I wouldn't expect to get $50,000. I would continue to build my credit. I would think about a secure card, and I would just graduate up the ladder until I'm able to get that big card. But I would definitely value my relationship.
Hold up. I have a gem.
What you got?
Okay, money magnets. They have a business credit card with 0% interest for 6 months. You don't want to sleep on this. But if you want to know more about business credit cards, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.